What's going on, RFD gang, and welcome back to another episode of Register for Dinner. I'm here chilling with my boy Eli, aka Gaming with Gaskin. What up, Eli?
What's up?
Woogie, 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 woogie. And then for this holiday season, we're going to be featuring some of my favorite sweet treats. And in this episode in particular, that would be some Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. I'm Sebastian Register, and this is Register for Dinner.
So stay tuned.
There we go. But before we start getting crazy with some cookies, if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and hit that little notification bell. And welcome to the RFD gang. Now let's get to baking. So the first thing you want to do is soften up your butter and your sugars. So in this bowl, I have 2 sticks of softened salted butter. Say that 5 times fast. And we're going to want to add it to our mixing bowl. Here. He needs a little help, guys.
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God, we got butter going everywhere. Then we're gonna wanna add some 1 cup of granulated sugar. And then next, I have 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. Get your hand out of that mixing bowl. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Eli, close that lid.
Yeah.
Lock it into place and start off low so you don't get sugar all over the place and make mom mad. And you're gonna wanna mix this until it starts to get really soft and creamy like, and then we're gonna wanna add in our eggs. Now it's already starting to get creamy. It only took honestly about 30 seconds, and now it's time to add in your first egg. And you're gonna wanna do these at separate times to let the eggs properly mix into the batter. So here's this, cracking on the side. Now split it apart. There we go. That's nice and mixed.
Eggsy.
Yes, sir. All right. And while this is mixing, it's time to get started with your dry ingredients. So what I have here is I have 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And I'm gonna go ahead and sift that in to a large bowl. And then while I'm doing that, I have 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Next, I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda and then 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And just a teaspoon of some salt. Give this a nice little mix just to make sure to mix all the ingredients up. And then slowly start incorporating your flour into the bowl.
Yep.
How's that looking, Eli?
Yeah.
Oh God, oh God.
Oh God.
It's like we got the movie Dune going on in our mixing bowl.
It's trying to throw me. It's trying to throw powder into my eyes.
Mix this in just to make sure it's nice and mixed well.
How far did you do it?
I didn't go all the way. You want me to go all the way?
Yes.
Go big or go home.
Oh gosh. Oh,
now we're cranking.
oh gosh. Oh my gosh.
All right, but honestly, I think that's good for now. What we're gonna do is we're going to stop this, open up the top, and then I need you to just scrape the sides of the bowl to get some of that dough down the sides.
Okay.
Just scrape it down. So here, go like that and just start scraping it down in there. All right.
And done.
Perfect. Let's give this one little final mix. Well, that's pretty good, right? It's pretty good.
Right.
All right, this is done. Gonna want to take this off, scrape off this excess dough. Then Eli, I have 1.5 cups of some quick cook oats. You want to make sure they're quick cook oats, not the whole classic oats, because those ones won't cook as well and they'll be a little bit tough when you're cooking them in your cookies. So go ahead and add that to the bowl without eating all of them.
I didn't eat them. I didn't eat any.
All right, and then Eli's favorite, we have 2 cups of raisins. Add that to the bowl.
Bam.
All right, perfect. Oh, come on, yeah. We gotta make sure, come on. Can't be skimping out the audience over here.
Sorry.
Give this a good mix. I think this is about to be the best oatmeal raisin cookies we've ever had.
I've actually never tried my oatmeal raisin cookies.
Well, that's about to come. This is nice and properly mixed, so what we're gonna wanna do is cover this and chill this in your fridge for at least 2 hours, but preferably overnight. The moment you guys have all been waiting for, it's time to make these cookies. How's that sound, Eli?
Awesome.
All right, let's get to forming these bad boys. So I have a 2-ounce scooper that I'm gonna go ahead and scoop on to a nice silicone lined sheet pan. If you don't have silicone mats, then you can use parchment paper, that works just fine. And I'm gonna want to evenly space these out. So for this, I think we can probably get 8 to a sheet pan. So you're gonna probably make a couple sheet pans of this. So probably I would say, depending on the amount, I would say you probably can get 16 cookies out of total out of all these, out of all this cookie dough that you made. And now that we have our sheet pan lined with the cookie dough, it's time to place in the oven set at 350 degrees for about 16 to 18 minutes or until it starts to get nice and golden brown. So you do the honors.
Nice.
Guys, the time is finally here. It's time for the taste test. These bad boys have been cooling on a sheet pan for about 5 minutes before transferred over to a wire rack to finish cooling, but the taste test is finally here. Are you ready, Eli?
Yes.
Keep in mind, this is his first time ever having an oatmeal raisin cookie. Give it a try. Let the world know what you think.
These are tasty.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Do I get a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
You heard it from the man himself. Now I gotta give it a try. Oh yeah. And there you have it, guys. These are probably the chewiest, most delicious oatmeal raisin cookies you'll ever eat in your entire life. But just like that, we're done with another episode of Register for Dinner. And I'm your host, Sebastian Register.
And I'm Eli.
And this is Register for Dinner. If you enjoyed today's video and can't wait for us to cook something else up, make sure you smash that like button, comment below, and subscribe. But until next time,
Stay hungry, my friends.